In this video, I'll put you through on how to set reminders, okay, on iPhone. Let's just get right into it. Okay, to set a reminder on iPhone, first get to the reminders app. Okay, you can see mine here, so tap on it for it to open. As it opens, you may have an interface that looks like this. Or if you don't have maybe an interface that looks like this, you may see a button to create to add list. Okay, tap on that, which after that you will see the reminders option for you to create new reminder. Okay, so but here under my list, let me tap on reminders. Okay, now here on this page, tap on new reminder, which is at the bottom left. On tapping on the new reminder, you are expected to add what you want the phone to remind you about in time to come. Let's say I want to, complete my cybersecurity assignment as somebody offering cybersecurity course. So I can call it my cybersecurity assignment. Okay. So you know what you want it to remind you about and you type it in. Okay. Then after that, you may tap on this eye icon to see more details. Okay, so what I did, let me go back. I typed on the eye info icon. All right. Now here is telling me I can add some notes. Okay, let me add some notes. Maybe please complete your assignment. Okay, my assignment, your assignment. All right, so you can have anything here. If you don't want if you don't want to have anything, then forget about it. Okay, then in the date section, tap there to set the date. And I want to do this assignment today. So today's date is selected already. That's September 2nd, 2025. But if you want a different date, you can select a different date by tapping on that exact date. All right. Then time, I'll tap on time, the button there for it to be turned on. So I want to do this assignment by maybe 4 p.m. I will select 0400. Okay, but maybe it's 4:30, you want to use any other time, just select that any other time. All right, you have this early reminder, none, repeat, never, so you can set other things down there. Okay, tags and the rest, but these are the major things. Okay, the date and the time. Then tap on done and you are good. So by 4 today, I've been reminded of this. Okay, but maybe in future you want to delete the reminder maybe after completing that task. What you need to do is once you open your app and you're here, okay, you tap on reminders, and once you tap on reminders, you can long press on this on your reminder and select delete. It is gone. Okay, but in this case I don't want to delete it, I just want to set it up first. So this is how to complete this task. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more and grow in tech knowledge. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn more on how to complete more tasks on iPhone. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.